गुड मॉर्निंग इंदौर। आज आपको मैं ले आया हूँ केसरबाग रोड पर, जिसे नई दुनिया रोड के नाम से भी जाना जाता है। बाबू लाभ चंद छजलानी मार्ग, नई दुनिया रोड या केसरबाग रोड। यह रोड जो है काफ़ी वाइड हो चुका है। मेन रोड है, ये साइड में लालबाग का कैंपस है, बट काफ़ी टूट चुका है। बाहरी वॉल इसकी टूट चुकी हैं, रिपेयरिंग वर्क चल रहा है। इन एनी वे, दिस इज़ द रोड विच आई एम शोइंग यू। दिस विल लीड टू बॉम्बे आगरा रोड नियर राजेंद्र नगर क्रॉस सेक्शन. It's a long road from here, about 3.5 kilometer. After 3.5 kilometer, it will connect to main AB road, Bombay Agra road. So my endeavor is to tell you how the Indore looks like in the morning, evening and daytime, and also to give you some lessons on insurance, banking and finance subjects. This is the old Nai Duniya office, Web Duniya, Dias Park. See, contract of insurance is really typical, and it varies from other contract in the sense there are some peculiar features related to insurance contracts. While ordinary contracts and commercial contracts are contracts of tangibility, because immediate benefit is seen. Like if you go to a shopkeeper, grocery shop, buy something, immediately you get your things like sugar, pulses, rice, etc. But in an insurance contract, when you get a policy, you don't get money immediately. It is only at the time of getting a claim amount, then the tangibility comes. Tangibility is seen by you. So in insurance contract, there is no tangibility immediately. You buy TV, you get immediate advantage. You buy gold, you get immediate advantage. But in insurance contract, there is no immediate advantage or immediate tangibility. So this is the difference. Moreover, in ordinary contracts, commercial contracts, the things or subject matter of contract is before our eyes. We can see, we can touch, we can test. But here, in insurance contract, the subject matter of insurance is not before our eyes. When we insure house is located somewhere else. Insurance company is unable to see the house. They are unable to see our motor cars, motorcycle, which is the subject matter of insurance. Moreover, information related to subject matter of insurance is known to the insured only. So here under insurance contract, the insured is supposed to reveal all the facts about subject matter of insurance. Therefore, in ordinary contracts, good faith is enough, whereas in insurance contract, the good faith is not enough. Here, some more degree of good faith is required. That is known as utmost good faith. So here, the insured is supposed to tell everything about the subject matter of insurance. This is Trigino Jim. uh, then home decor, Krishna store, fitness first. So this side also commercialization is going on. PGP, PNP, Infotech, Sisters, Skin Hair, Makeup, Nail Studio, Skin Hair, Makeup, Nail Studio. This was the old RTO side. Old RTO office was located here outside the Lal Bagh Palace. Now RTO has been shifted to Patthar Mundla Road, quite far from the city. So what I was telling you, insurance contract is a typical contract, different contract from other contracts. Though in insurance also we need to comply with the Indian Contract Act 1872. It means offer and acceptance, consideration, consent and legality of the contract is required. Other than these requirements, we need to have utmost good faith, insurable interest, principle of indemnity and subrogation contribution and proximate cost. These things are also required. See the condition of RTO office now. There is no activity here. Earlier this used to be a very crowded place. This is Lal Bagh Life. New property is coming up. Rates are very high. I suppose flats are selling at around 1 crore, 1.2 crore for 3 bedroom. So slowly the rates are going high for this street. Anyway, this was the short video I thought I should share with all the viewers in morning. So we have seen that in insurance contract the tangibility is not appearing immediately. It is on later date when maturity is there or when claim is there. And in general insurance sometimes the claim will not also be there, because unless there is accident there is no claim and no tangibility. So this way contract of insurance is different. Okay, now I am taking to the other side of this road. This road leads to crossroad which goes to Palsigar area. Now I am turning back, taking a U-turn and showing you some other buildings. Lal Bagh Life, I told you it's a new building coming up here. Cleaning operation is going on in the city. Morning you can see traffic has also started. This is around 7 p.m. in the morning. So coming back to insurance contracts. Insurance contracts needs to comply with Indian Contract Act 1872 as well as principle of insurance. Utmost good faith we have discussed just now, and now discuss one more principle, that is insurable interest. Unless we have insurable interest, there cannot be an insurance contract. To have a valid insurance contract, we need to have insurable interest. Insurable interest means we should have clear title which is recognized by law. Yes, I am the owner of this property. So I should have a physical relationship with the subject matter of insurance. In case it is destroyed or damaged, I am at loss. And absolute ownership is the example of insurable interest. Other than absolute ownership, there can be partnership. A trustee can also be having insurable interest. A laundry person can also have interest, insurable interest, though the clothes are not belonging to him, but for the temporary period, he is supposed to be the owner. Similarly, parking wala, when we give our vehicle at parking station, parking owner will become the owner of our cars or scooters for the time being. In this way, hotel wala, where we park the vehicle, hotel wala can also take insurance against fire and theft, because for the time being they are the owners. Similarly, garage people, financial people, those who give the finance, they are also the owners. They are also having some insurable interest, or up to the finance they are having insurable interest. So this way, not only absolute owner but other parties may have insurable interest, provided it is recognized by law. So this is the other side of same Nai Dunia road. I am going back towards Mahunaka. This is Sachidanand Nagar. Buildings are good. Some buildings are being broken, dismantled to give a new commercial shape to this road. Commercialization, as I told you, is going on. The roadside buildings are getting dismantled and re-erection is going on for new commercial places or properties. So I hope you will love listening to subjects of insurance, banking and finance. We have tied up, Indore Insurance has tied up with many business schools also, and we are trying to provide information. This is Nidhi Vihar colony, very beautifully placed, good gardens are here. This is Bhavishya Nidhi Enclave, Karmachari Bhavishya Nidhi Sangathan. So I was telling you that we are going to enter into agreements, MOUs with B schools, colleges, universities of Indore, so that students can be taught insurance, banking and financial subjects from the beginning while they are doing their study. Why I am impressing students to take part in insurance education, banking education, because lot many jobs are being offered in these sectors. So those who do not want to wait for their placement, if you are interested in getting placement right from the college campus, you should see that you have enough exposure to insurance, banking and financial sectors while you are doing your study. So why to waste time? 12th onwards, or when you are doing your graduation, post-graduation, BBA, commerce, MBA, while doing these degrees, you can definitely take our exams. III Insurance Institute of India, situated at Mumbai. Indore Insurance Institute is situated at Indore, 19 MG Road, LIC building, Indore. You can come visit this institute anytime. We have good library also, and we provide you every support and guidance. Thank you very much. This was Mohan Vatnani to you. Thank you. Thanks a lot.